Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. It's your boy Rollins any rider / gamer. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for regular notifications, like the video and share with your friends. This video is about my recent road trip to Shillong, the capital of Meghalaya. The beauty of the curvy roads, hills, the greenery of Shillong, Meghalaya, also known as the Abode of Clouds, always amazes me and gives pleasure to my heart. Meghalaya is one of the most beautiful states of Northeast. It is like a diamond in the crown. Shillong is one of the favorite hill stations of India, located just 200 kilometers away from Guwahati. While rest of the India faces harsh heat during summer, Shillong is a place with a chill weather. So guys, enjoy my video now.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. Baby, you can count on me now. When you're falling down, 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 I will find the light in your soul. I'll be there. Leaving you alone is the hardest. Even when you're out of focus, I will be the light in your life. You'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told.
Thank you for watching the video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, like the video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Peace.